Okay, so I'll be solving Leetcode number 13, Roman to integer. In this problem, we are given a Roman numeral and we are to convert it to an integer. This problem also gives us like this Roman numeral to value chart in case you're not familiar with Roman numerals. And one key principle that I think I should bring up is the principle of this. So typically Roman numerals are written from largest to smallest from left to right, but sometimes there is a Roman numeral that is smaller than the one to the right of that. And you know, like in this scenario, we read this as 5 minus 1. So this would just be equal to 4. Another instance would be ix, which is just 110, and we read this as 10 minus 1, which is just 9. So when doing the Roman numeral to integer conversion, we have to be very aware of this subtraction principle. Now, to get into it, I think this chart over here gives you a clue as to what you're supposed to do on the first step, which is to create a hash map, a key value pair with the key being the symbol and the value being the value of the symbol, which is like, it's like the integer value of it. So I actually have this in my copy paste because I'm not trying to write this all out, but yeah, I put the hash map as val. I set that equal to val. That's the name of the hash map. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah. And after that, I feel like it's very intuitive to want to track the value as you iterate through the string of the Roman numeral. And you know, you just like add to a val tracker as you iterate through. So yeah, you want to iterate through the string as you're given, and to account for the subtraction principle, the 1 4, you have to know that like the one to the right can't possibly, like the last digit of any Roman numeral can't possibly apply to a subtraction principle. So you will check for every, if I is less than length s minus 1, then we will check for this like subtraction principle shit. So if I is less than length s minus 1, if let's say val s I, so the value of this key right now at this current index is less than the value of the key, the index to the right of it, then that means that we should subtract the value of the current index that we are on right now, which is I. And yeah, we do this because, like, for example, you have 1 4, and you know, 1 is like, this passes the if statement, and 1 is less than 4, 1 is less than 5, so we just do, like, for example, it's currently 0, we just do -1, and you know, and then we get to 5 and we could just add 5, and that just equals 4. But yeah, if it doesn't follow that, we could just add the corresponding value of the Roman symbol, Roman numeral. I don't know what I'm saying. But if like we get to like the very last value of the Roman numeral, we could just straight up just add the value. We don't gotta do anything. We don't gotta check for the subtraction principle. And then we just return val tracker, and this should work. This is O of n because we're just looping through length s, and yeah, that's basically it. Okay, I don't know why it wasn't loading earlier, but this is the code I wrote out, and this is it passing like the test cases and whatnot. Thanks for watching.